okay. For everyone it's a new track, so it will be interesting to see how it goes.
You don't know where the bumps are going to go, and so it's new, and I think it's good. You know, it's good for the series, and it's nice to see, you know, the people putting the effort in and to change it up.
The track looks fast and really, for me, different. It's new, but I heard it is the other way around, so it's new pretty much for everybody, which that's okay.
I actually came here and tried it for them on Wednesday just because they wanted some, you know, just to see what it was like from a rider's perspective, and it's really good. So I think it'll make for interesting racing.
Looks pretty good, you know. Just now waiting to get out on the track.
Another good weekend, another good lot of time on the bike, and definitely going in the right direction.
It was nice to see the track being changed up, and I think everyone enjoyed it. I did, and it's always well prepared here. So 3 starts, 3 wins, can't really complain. I was riding well, so you know, keeping hold of that red plate and top step of the podium, definitely can't complain.